Even if your windows are still open now, it won't be long until you'll be closing them up for winter. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about improving your indoor air quality right after this.
Transform your kitchen or bathroom with a beautiful tiled backsplash all by yourself in as fast as one day with Simple Mat from Custom Building Products. Simple Mat is a unique double-sided adhesive mat designed to bond tile to backsplashes, countertops, and shower walls. No mixing of powder, no mess to clean up, and no waiting for the mortar to harden. Simply set the tile onto the mat, then grout. It's the quickest, easiest, cleanest way to install tile. Visit thesimplemat.com for more information. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.
Homes today are sealed tighter than ever before to improve energy efficiency. The result for many homeowners has been a dramatic reduction of indoor air quality. Replacing the heating and cooling system in your home can be very costly, but there are ways to improve the indoor air quality without going to that expense. For existing systems, your best bet is to replace the air filters with a 2 or 3 stage filter, which can control harmful airborne microorganisms, gases, and even dust particles. They may not be readily available at all hardware stores, but most can be purchased online. Be sure to look for high-density carbon or polycarbon in the item's description. For even greater air quality, consider using a standalone room ionizer in conjunction with these filters. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.